Hello, my name is Dickie Delss with Summit Fire and Security. I am the Director of Technical Training for our company, which is a nationwide company. We're across the whole country. We have 120 branches and over 5,000 employees. Our company invests $1 million a year just for training. We cover different disciplines because it's fire life safety. That would be fire sprinklers, that would be fire alarm, fire extinguisher, kitchen hoods, smoke systems, and exit signs and emergency lighting. I've been in the industry. The next year will be 50 years. I got in when I was 17 years old. This is a very rewarding industry to be in. With all the different disciplines, there's many choices that you can make being in the fire life safety industry. Come aboard, and we would love to have you be in our industry. Thank you. So why this would be important to get into the industry, especially with young students and kids, is that it's a very rewarding career. There's lots of money that can be made to help your career and make you more knowledgeable in fire life safety.